Hey everyone, welcome back to our virtual showroom. Got another great vehicle. Let's check out this Nissan Sentra SV. Sunroof, alloy wheels, chrome door handles, push button start, proximity key, which I'll show you very shortly. It's in really nice shape. Again, SV package, so lots of standard features, which I'll show you in the interior. We like to do a quick walk around the outside so you can see the vehicle's in nice shape. It's all about transparency, at least what this is what these videos give us. So again, alloy wheels, meaty tires. So we do a walk around, hood's in nice shape, windshield, sunroof, nice sized trunk, split folding rear seats. So again, if you do a little project at home, need some more cargo space, definitely the ability to fold those seats down. Anchors on the back seats for the kids if you got any restraint systems like that. Baby seats, you can definitely have the ability to use that. Cloth's in nice shape. Floors are in nice shape. You got some little holders there. Cup holders which fold up. Room for 5 passengers. Power windows. And like I said, push button proximity key. So now I've locked it. Unlock it, which is a nice feature, especially in the winter. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, locking rear windows, adjustable driver's seat, so you can raise it or lower it, and move it front to back type of thing. I'm just going to start this vehicle really quick. Woo! Some music from the detail department. You adjust your interior illumination, your window or your mirrors you can adjust. You have trunk release, active eco, traction control. So again, some cool features there. All right, voice recognition. You have your radio controls, volume controls. You have your information center here, which you can toggle through and personalize some of the settings of the vehicle. You have cruise controls, Bluetooth, voice recognition, all on the steering wheel, which is a nice at the tips of the driver's fingers. You've got heated seats both sides, high and low. What else do you got? You got a little plug-in here. Dual zone climate control, which is a really nice feature to have, especially if you're like my wife and I. One's always hot, one's always cold. And then you have a nice touchscreen, backup camera, I believe Sirius XM. Let's check it out. Sirius XM capabilities. So if you have a subscription or you're looking for a subscription, you definitely have the ability to do that. So again, lots of standard features. Sunroof. I mean, did I mention backup camera? I believe I did, but anyways, backup camera, which is pretty much standard on most vehicles now. Sentra SV, lots of standard features. We're really happy to have this vehicle, so don't miss out. Call, text, or email us if you have any questions about this Oh, I got the keys, so it's beeping at me. 2019 Sentra SV, shop 24/7 at seawayhandy.com for all your new and pre-owned vehicle needs. Make sure you follow us on Facebook. Always got tons of fun things going on, whether you're in the market for a vehicle or not. It's always fun to win free stuff. We'll see you soon.